Hello everyone, it's me again, Oandasan, your YouTube creator. Now we're gonna unbox this one, okay? This one is a solar light. Let's see if it's complete, okay? So here we go.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Oandasan, your YouTube creator. Now we're gonna unbox this one, okay? This one is a solar light. Let's see if it's complete, okay? So here we go. So I'm gonna do it like this. So we have only one box of this one, okay? It must be here. From the very special love So this one, guys. Okay, so this is the panel. Yeah. Yan. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you're gonna do it like this. Okay, so the panel is already ready. Alright, so you need to put this under the sun so that it will absorb an energy, okay? Because this is your energy, a solar energy. So that's a solar panel, and then now we have this one. This is a 500 watts. So you can put here. Alright, and this is not the right one. Alright. The base. And next, so we need to tighten it. This one here. Yan guys. So I'm trying to yan. So what you can do it like this. Yan. So just be sure that it's not loosened. That's why I'm trying to tighten it. I think we need the wrench, but I don't have a wrench in here. Okay, that's it. Alright, so now let's try to lighten it.